Well, all right, now let's open this thing up. Bark looking good, bark looking good. We're gonna grab this leg over here after I get that glare out of my eye. See if that, ooh, oh, there it go. There it go. Look at that meat fall off the bone. I'll just set that down. Did that just fall off before I hit it? Oh my goodness. Well, let's taste this shit then. Here we go. Smoky, smoky. These are some beans I made from the bone of the pork last week. Have a good one.